Hi students, this is Murali Krishna Radhaneti. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is selection of terms in geometric progression. Selection of terms in geometric progression, and what is increasing geometric progression and what is the decreasing geometric progression. Let us discuss one by one. First one, selection of terms in geometric progression. Selection of terms in geometric progression. Selection of terms in geometric progression. We know that if A is the first term and R is the common ratio, the general form of geometric progression is A is the first term and R is the common ratio. The general form of geometric progression is A, AR, AR square, AR cube, AR power 4, AR power 5, and so on. Okay, A is the first term and R is the common ratio. Then the general form of geometric progression is AR square, AR cube, AR power 4, AR power 5, and so on. Here observe here, this is first term A. What is its preceding term? Just preceding term is A by R. Observe here, it is common ratio R. A by A by R. A by A by R is nothing but R only. A by A by R. A by A by R. A into its reciprocal R by A get cancel R. So A, its preceding term is A by R. Again, A by R, its preceding term is A by R square. And A by R square, its preceding term is A by R cube, and A by R cube, its preceding term is A by R to the power 4, and A by R to the power 4 preceding term is A by R to the power 5, and so on. This is the general form of geometric progression. Okay, with common ratio R. How to select the number of terms? How to select the terms? If you want 3 terms, if you want 4 terms, if you want 5 terms, how to assume and how to select the terms means number of terms, number of terms, what is the common, what is the common ratio? Okay, if you want number of terms 3, if you want number of terms as 3, select these three terms A by R, A by R, A and R. Clearly it is the terms of general form of geometric progression. So A by R, A and A are the consecutive terms of general form of geometric progression. So with common ratio R. Clearly these are also geometric progression. If you want number of terms is 3, terms may be A by R, A and AR. The common ratio is R. If you want 4 terms, terms, we know that in a geometric progression, if if you select the terms in geometric progression are chosen at a regular interval, then they forms also GP. Observe here, 2, 4, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64, and so on. If you select the terms at a regular intervals, if you select the terms at a regular interval, then they forms GP. Observe here, 2, 8, and 32, and 128. If you select 2, 8, 32, and 128, if you select the terms at a chosen at a regular interval in the GP, then they forms also in geometric progression. 8 by 2 is nothing but 4. 32 by 8 is nothing but 4, and 128 by 2, 32 is also 4. Clearly it is in GP. So that's why we want number of terms for terms may be AR cube, AR cube, AR chosen at a regular interval. AR cube, A by R, A by R cube, A by R, and AR, and leave the next term and AR cube. Chosen at a regular interval. So we want number of terms as 4, that is A by R cube and A by R and AR and AR cube. These are A by R cube, A by R and AR cube. Here common ratio T2 by T1 is nothing but A by R by A by R cube. A get cancelled, R and R cube get cancelled. Remaining is how much? R square. R square is the common ratio. Next, if you want 5 terms, select these 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, directly select these terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is A by R square, A by R, A, AR, AR square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are consecutive terms of general form of geometric progression. Clearly, A by R square, A by R, A and AR square are in geometric progression with common ratio R. We want number of terms as 6. We want number of terms as 6. Observe here, if you select the 4 terms, that is A by R cube, A by R, AR and AR cube. Next, extend this one here, A by R to the power 5. Extend here also A by AR power 5. That is A by R power 5, A by R cube, that is A by R and AR, AR cube, AR power 5 with common ratio R square. Observe here, we want number of terms as 3. The terms may be A by R, AR, common ratio R. We want number of terms as 4. That is, terms are A by R cube, A by R, AR and AR cube with common ratio R square. If you want number of terms as 5, that is A by R square, A by R, AR and AR square, common ratio R. And we want number of terms 6, that is A by R power 5, A by R cube and A by R, AR cube and AR power 5 with common ratio R square. Let us discuss one example here. Let us discuss one example. If the sum and product of 3 terms in GP, the sum and product of 3 terms in geometric progression is 35 and 1000. 35 and 1000. Find the 3 terms. Solution, we want 3 terms. Let us assume that the 3 terms may be, let the 3 terms may be A by R, A, R. These are 3 terms. Their sum is 35 and the product is 1000. Their sum means A by R plus A plus AR is equals to 35. If you take A as common, A into 1 by R, 1 plus R is equals to 35. This is equation number 1. And the product is how much? 1000. And the product is 1000. That means A by R into AR is equals to 1000. Observe here, R R get cancelled. A into A is nothing but A cube is equals to 1000. 1000 can be written as A cube is equals to 10 cube. So here powers are equal, so bases also equal. So A is equals to how much? 10. A is equals to how much? 10. A value substitute in equation number 1, we get 10 into, if you do LCM here, 1 plus R into 1, R plus R into R square by R is equals to 35. 5 2s are 5, 7s are 35. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into R, 2R plus 2 into R square, 2R square is equals to, if you transpose R from LHS to RHS, it will become multiplication quantity. So it is 7R. If you transpose 7R from RHS to LHS, it will become minus 7R. So 2R square minus 7R plus 2R is nothing but minus 5R plus 2 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Factorize here 2r square minus 5r can be written as minus 4r minus r. That is minus 4r minus r is nothing but minus 5r plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 4r into minus r is nothing but 4r square plus 4r square. Take 2r as common, 2r as common, remain here r minus here 2. Take here minus 1 as common, r minus 2 is equals to 0. Take here r minus 2 as a common, r minus 2 into 2r minus 1 is equals to 0. We know that 0 rule, if a into b is equals to 0, if a into b is equals to 0, either a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. That means r minus 2 is equals to 0 or 2r minus 1 is equals to 0. R is equals to, if you transpose minus 2 from LHS to RHS, it will become plus 2. So 2R is equals to, here also transpose minus 1 from LHS to RHS, it will become plus 1. R is equals to, if you transpose 2 here LHS to RHS, it will become division quantity. So R is equals to 1 by 2. So common ratio R is equals to R 1 by 2. If R is equals to 2, then if R is equals to 2, R is equals to 2 and A is equals to how much? A is equals to 10. Substitute here 10 by 2. 10 by 2. A by R. A by R is nothing but A value 10, R value 2, 10 by 2. A means here 10 and ER means 10 into R value 2. R value 2. 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. 10 and 10 2s are 20 are the three terms of given geometric progression. Their sum is 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 5, 35 is their sum, and their product 20 tens are 2000, sorry 200, 200 into 5 is nothing but 1000. So the sum and the product of three terms in GP is 35 and 1000. That let the numbers are 5, 10, 20. Next one, here we discuss how to decide whether the given GP increasing geometric progression or decreasing geometric progression. That is increasing and decreasing GP. How to decide given geometric progression, either increasing geometric progression or decreasing geometric progression. A is the first term and R is the common ratio, then the general form of geometric progression is A is the first term and R is the common ratio. The general form of geometric progression is A comma, AR square, AR cube and so on. This is the general form of geometric progression. How to decide whether the given GP is increasing or decreasing GP means, first point, if A is greater than 0, A is greater than 0, that means positive numbers, A is greater than 0, and R is greater than 1 and R is greater than 1, then the given GP, A value greater than 0, A value greater than 0 and R value is greater than 1, then given GP clearly then it is a increasing GP. How to decide the given GP, increasing or decreasing GP means depends on A and R value. A and R value. If A is greater than 0, A is greater than 0 and R is greater than 1, R is greater than 1, then we say that the given GP, then the given GP is increasing GP. Take one example, A is greater than 0, let us assume that A is equals to 2. R is greater than 1, take R value anything that is 2. Observe here the GP. A means 2. AR means 2 into R, 2 into 2. And AR square means 2 into 2 whole square. 2 into 2 whole cube. Observe here. That is 2 comma 2 2 ja 4 comma 4 2 ja 8 comma 8 2 ja 16 and so on. So 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. Clearly it is a increasing GP. Increasing GP depends on A and R. If A is greater than 0 and R is greater than 1, then the given GP is increasing GP. Second one, if A is greater than 0, A is greater than 0 and R is lie between 0 and 1. If A is greater than 0, if A is greater than 0 and R value lie between 0 and 1, then the given GP, it is in it is a decreasing, clearly it is a decreasing GP. Clearly it is a decreasing GP. A is greater than 0, A is greater than 0 and R value lie between 0 and 1. R value lie between 0 and 1. Then the given GP, clearly it is in decreasing GP. Take one example. If we take A is equals to 3, A is equals to 3 and take R value some 1 by 3, 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is lie between 0 and 1. 1 by 3 value 0.33. So R value 1 by 3 means lie between 0 and 1. So write the GP. So 3 into AR. AR means 3 into R, 3 into 1 by 3, comma, AR square, 3 into 1 by 3 whole square, comma, AR cube, 3 into 1 by 3 whole cube, comma, and so on. 3 into 3 get cancelled, 1, 3 get cancelled, so here 3 into 1 by 9, 3 ones are 3 threes, so it is 1 by 3. This is 3 cube means 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27, 3 by 27 is nothing but 1 by 9 and so on. Observe here 3, 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 9 and so on. Clearly it is in decreasing GP. Next, third one, if A is less than 0, if A is less than 0 and R is greater than 1, if A is less than 0 and R is greater than 1, then it is a decreasing geometric progression. If A is less than 0, R is greater than 1, A is less than 0, R is greater than 1, then given GP, clearly it is a decreasing GP. Take one example. If A is less than 0, take A value minus 5 and R is greater than 1, take R value 2. R value 2. Write GP. A means minus 5. AR means minus 5 into 2. AR square means minus 5 into 2 whole square. AR cube means minus 5 into 2 whole cube and so on. Observe here minus 5. That is minus 5. Minus 5 into 2 is nothing but minus 10. Minus 5 into 4 is nothing but minus 20. Minus 5 into 8 minus 40 and so on. Clearly it is in decreasing GP. Next, fourth one, if A is less than 0 and R is lie between 0 and 1, if A is less than 0 and R is lie between 0 and 1, then it is a increasing GB. It is a, if A is less than 1 and R is lie between 0 and 1, then it is a increasing GB. Take one example here. A is equals to A value is less than 0. Take any minus 2. A value minus 2. And R is a lie between 0 and 1. Take R is equals to 1 by 2. R is equals to 1 by 2. Write the GP here. A means minus 2 into AR means minus 2 into 1 by 2. AR square means minus 2 into 1 by 2 whole square. AR cube means minus 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube and so on. Minus 2 into 2 get cancelled, minus 1. Minus 2 into 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. 2 ones are 2 2s are, is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Next, minus 2 into 1 by 8 is nothing but minus 1 by 4 and so on. Clearly, it is a increasing GP. So, how to decide the given GP? Increasing the GP or decreasing GP means they are depending on A and R value. If A is greater than 0 and R is greater than 1, so clearly given GP, A is greater than 0 and R is greater than 1. So given GP is increasing GP. If A is greater than 0 and R value lie between 0 and 1, clearly the given GP is decreasing GP. If A is less than 0, and R is greater than 1, A is less than 0 and R is greater than 1, clearly given GP it is in decreasing GP. And fourth one, if A is less than 0 and R is lie between 0 and 1, so given GP is always in increasing GP. Okay, please subscribe this channel. Let us discuss more videos very soon. Bye bye.